Removal. Step 1. Prepping for removal. Begin by ensuring the ignition is switched off. Set the steering to straight ahead. Disconnect the battery. Use a lifting platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Raise the vehicle. Removal. Step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal. Step 3. Disconnecting the ABS sensor. Remove the brake hose and ABS sensor wire from the retention bracket on the strut. Next, remove the sensor from the small plastic clip at the bottom of the strut. Removal. Step 4. Removing the air strut. Disconnect the sway bar link by removing the nut holding the ball joint to the strut. You may need to hold the ball joint from spinning by placing a wrench on the two flats of the ball joint on the back side of the bracket. Open the hood and remove the 3 upper mounting nuts. Remove the 2 large bolts that hold the strut to the spindle assembly. With the nuts and bolts removed from the spindle assembly, pull the spindle outward while pushing on the strut. With the air strut removed, you can now gain access to its hose connection. Slowly remove the fitting to deflate and free the assembly. Remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard. Install. Step 1. Installing the new air strut. Please note, tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specification during the installation process. If the airline fitting is not already installed, do so now. Insert the airline into the new airline fitting. Pull the spindle outward while installing the air strut. Install the 3 upper mounting nuts. Install the 2 large bolts that hold the strut to the spindle assembly. Reconnect the sway bar link and tighten the nut holding the ball joint to the strut. Install. Step 2. Reconnecting the ABS sensor. Reconnect the brake hose and ABS sensor wire into the retention bracket on the strut. Reinstall the sensor into the plastic clip at the bottom of the strut. Install. Step 3. Install wheel. Install the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Install. Step 4. Finishing the installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Reconnect the battery. Install. Step 5. Testing. Start the engine, wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the strut for leaks. It is strongly recommended that after this install, the vehicle gets in alignment for better performance and safety.